Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday extended wishes on the occasion of Eid ul-Fitr and expressed hope to overcome the global pandemic and work towards human welfare. A new analysis from the University of Washington Institute of Health, Metrics and Evolution shows that various countries may be underreporting or undercounting COVID-19 deaths. According to the analysis in this study, estimation of total mortality due to COVID-19, the US and India together may have 7.7 lakh more deaths due to COVID-19 than they officially reported. Indu Jain, chairman of the Times Group, lifelong spiritual seeker, pioneering philanthropist, distinguished patron of the arts and passionate proponent of women's rights, attended Nirvana on Thursday at 9:35 p.m. due to COVID-related complications. The Biden administration's requirement that people wear masks on US airplanes, public transport, airports and ride-hailing vehicles are not expected to be lifted anytime soon, despite an easing in the rules for mask wearing elsewhere. The daily cases of COVID-19 in India continued to fall after hitting a peak last week, but deaths remained high with close to 4,000 fatalities recorded on Thursday. India reports 3,43,134 fresh COVID-19 cases, taking the case tally to 2,40,46,809 with 4,000 deaths in the last 24 hours. India's death toll stands at 2,62,317, while 2,79,599 people have recovered from the virus in the country. The number of active cases is at 37,04,893. Private hospitals have procured 80 lakhs doses of anti-COVID vaccines, whereas states and the UTs have bought 1.23 crore doses so far directly from vaccine manufacturers since the new vaccination policy came into effect from May 1, allowing states and the private sector to directly procure 50% of vaccines made in India. India Meteorological Department has issued a yellow alert for Mumbai and Thane on May 17 and green alert for Palghar. Prince Harry moved his wife and son to California to break a family cycle of pain and suffering after realizing his father, Prince Charles, treated me the way he was treated, he said in an interview released Thursday. While the horror of spotting corpses floating in the Ganga has triggered panic among people and sparked off a slugfest between Uttar Pradesh and Bihar governments over dumping of bodies of suspected COVID victims in river, UP Cabinet Minister for Jal Shakti and Water Resources Mahendra Singh said on Thursday his department has little option to check the menace.